Hi everyone, welcome back to the Young Grower. So in this video, we're going to be repotting our tomatoes. Yeah, I've left them a little bit long. Some of them have got a little bit leggy, but that is completely fine. They're salvageable and they're going to produce amazing. These ones here are the extra early ones I sown. And as you can see, some of them have got just a tad leggy. I forgot about them up in the window. But yeah, let's get all these repotted. It's going to be a quick video today because I haven't got much time, but yeah, let's show you how I'm going to do this and get it all done so we can move on and get some other jobs done because yeah, these should have been done a couple of weeks ago, but just with everything going on, I have not had time. So let's do this. So I haven't actually got my tripod or a camera or anything here with me today. It's all at the allotment. So yeah, I'm just going to try and do this and show you it. It's going to be hard to record all of it, but we'll get some of it done. At least that way you'll be able to see the next stage of growing tomatoes. So I'm repotting mine into these 1 litre poly pots. I've actually ran out of them on the website, but I'm going to get some more in. And I've also got some yellow ones to use. They're exactly the same, I've just ran out. It's the last pack of black ones, so I've got to use my backup. So when planting the tomatoes, you want to pot them as deep as you possibly can into the pot, because you can see there's lots of hairs on the legs and they'll actually produce roots if you bury them. And by planting them as deep as you possibly can, I've noticed it makes the plant more stable when it's growing. So first we're going to do the atomic fusion, and it's one of the smaller plants, so it's going to be easier to show you. What we're going to do is just place it into the bag, just like that, and then we're going to fill it with compost. And there we go, I've topped the bag up and the tomatoes in there. Yeah, give it a nice firm down. You don't want to push it too hard to damage the tomato vine, but yeah, that will do. And now I'm going to get on with the rest. It's going to take me a little while, but we'll catch up after. So that is all the really early tomatoes, what I sown, repotted. Yeah, they are a little bit leggy, but to be honest, they're going to do absolutely perfectly fine. They look really healthy. Some of the leaves have started to go yellow, but now that it's in some fresh compost, they should come back. It's just it ran out of nutrients. It just goes to show, even the best of us end up doing something wrong or not checking the plants enough, but like I said, they're still healthy, they're still perfectly fine, and I'm still going to get an earlier crop compared to these ones. Yeah, so now we've got all these to replant. There's what, 30, 60, yeah. Too many tomatoes, but I want a couple of each variety, so it's worth doing more than you need, and I'm going to probably just sell the ones that I've got left over. So tomorrow it will be 5 weeks since we sown these tomatoes and put them on the windowsill, and as you can see, they are doing really well. And now it's time to repot them. So what we're going to do is quickly repot them. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we can follow the progress of these. Yeah, throughout the year. We'll plant them out in a month's time probably, but we'll cross that bridge later on. But just thought I'd give you a quick update. So now I'm on to repotting all of the smaller ones. These are, yeah, they're not leggy. They're really good, but I'm going to plant them as deep as I possibly can. These are some cool, amazing heirloom varieties. A lot of these are new ones, so I can't wait to see what they're like. Like we got Black Beauty, one called Pineapple Pig. Then we have Blue Fire, Atomic Fusion. Then we have our main ones that I done last year. So we got the Costa Luto, the Amish Paste, the Orange Banana. But yeah, let's get to repotting them and stop all this rambling. So we put that in, and now we're just gonna fill it up with compost just like we did with the other ones. And there we go, that is that one repotted. And look at the size difference compared to yeah, it is crazy. But now we will get on with doing the rest, yeah, and we'll catch up after. So now we have repotted all those tomatoes. Yeah, there's a lot. They're in 1 litre poly pots with multi-purpose compost. I've planted them as deep as I possibly can. Yeah, at least that way they will have nice big roots and you'll create a stronger plant. So I'm going to leave these tomatoes at home for another week or two. depending how much room we have and if they start annoying us. But yeah, just waiting for it to warm up. You can see these are a lot leggier than some of the others, but they'll be fine. They'll come back now that I've potted them and separated them. More light can get in there. But there's so many different heirloom tomatoes that I'm trying out for the first time this year. I've aimed for about 6 plants of each, and I'll probably plant 1 to 2, but I'd rather have more plants than what I need. So I'm not going to take up much more of your time. Yeah, that's a lot of tomatoes replanted. I'm tired, so I think I'm going to call it quits for the day. But thank you for watching, and we'll see each other soon.